Welcome to MK's workshop. Today's video focuses on repairing the threads of a strip drain plug. For this repair, you will need the following: a Time Sert kit, a T-handle, and a ratchet. Here is a close-up of the insert which will be used to repair the threads on the drain plug. First thing, you need to untighten the oil drain plug and then let the oil drain out into a container. To facilitate the upcoming work, the foot peg and the shift peg was removed. Some grease was added onto the drill bit. This will ensure that the metal chips stick to it and that it does not go into the engine. By drilling, this will expand the area in the drain plug. Make sure to clean the surface area before using the facing tool. The facing tool will smooth the plane surface at the right angle. It is important to go as deep as you can. Once that is done, you are ready to do the threading. The M12 by a 1.5 tap was greased and then slowly moved into a clockwise motion into the engine base. The area was once again cleaned to remove the grease and the metal chips. Then, a little bit of grease was applied onto the driver before screwing the insert onto it. A T-handle was used to fully screw the insert in. You will see that there is a bit of resistance, but this is normal, as the threads of the insert begin to expand as it locks the insert into place. Before screwing the oil drain plug back, make sure to clean the area and remove any debris that is left. This brings us to the end of the video. If you do like our video, we do encourage you to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this.